We'll guide you through how to integrate ClickUp with Google Calendar. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open ClickUp on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to your workspace and look for More tab on the left sidebar and click Apps. Click on it and navigate to Integrations from the menu options. Here, you'll see several integration possibilities. Find and select Google Calendar. You'll be prompted to connect your Google account, so click Connect Account and follow the prompts to sign in to your Google account. Make sure you allow ClickUp the necessary permissions to access your Google Calendar. After that, you'll see options to customize your integration. You can choose which ClickUp spaces you want to sync with your Google Calendar and decide if you want to sync tasks as events or only sync tasks with due dates. Make sure to review and adjust the settings according to your preferences. Once you've configured everything, click on Save or Activate to finalize the integration. Now your tasks and events will appear seamlessly in both ClickUp and Google Calendar, keeping your schedule organized and up to date. If you need to make changes later, you can always return to the Integrations section to adjust settings as needed. This integration is great for keeping track of deadlines and meetings across platforms without missing a beat. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.